And like I always say, the only way to keep Luton Fyah alive is to keep the bar and the kitchen going. And y'all know tonight is a special night, y'all, because Professor Nuts will be performing right here on this stage. And I'm ready for the show. Frank is ready for the show. So right now, our first performer for the night, is a talented brother. This brother I've worked with on many different occasions, so I guarantee you tonight he's gonna give you a show. So right now, I'm gonna ask y'all to help me welcome to center stage the one and only Clancy Ecceles and the J-Fire Band.
Sure. Check 1, 2, yeah. Hello,
Anyway, me go be on the mic, magician. And
pressure the world, under pressure tell the father, under pressure the world. Hey! Come on! Now, we're having so much fun tonight. I want to say good evening to all the patrons here coming out for live vibe, Luton Fyah style. All the entertainers here, we're back. Yeah. Coming with energy to share with you. Yeah. Twice, girl. Your sugar and oil. Luton Fyah. Oh Lord. Yeah. Kiss me, baby. Yeah. Kiss me once, girl. Kiss me twice, girl. Your sugar and spice, girl. And you're everything nice, girl. Love me forever and I'll be true to you, girl. You are an angel and you're so divine. You are an angel and you're mine, oh mine. Love me forever and darling, be true to you, girl. Oh, baby, love me. Push down. Hey. Bring it on. Nothing for break it down for me. Yes. Professor. One of the greatest lyricists of our generation. Brought out the ladies in them numbers tonight. Yeah. Forget comedy and lyric can't done. Singers come to blend and merge and create the sugar in the presentation. I want to welcome my friend Sean. Nice seeing you tonight. Very hard to come out of your house.
Look into the book of life and you will see
Only you alone can quench this thirst in the morning. My night hurts. Oh gosh, all the pain is getting worse. But guess what? Guess what? I don't wanna see no doubt. No dear. I need attendance for my nurse around the clock. Tick tock, don't you stop it. Cause there's no prescription for me. She's the one, my only remedy. Whoa. Night nurse. Only you alone can quench this thirst. Yes, my night nurse. Oh gosh, all the pain is getting worse and worse. I'm hurt by love. I am sure.
Some get high,
eating the sesame pipe. Some get high, jamming sesame cake. Then go west to watch the sunset and to reach the face. But from a little cottage in the green, oh Lord, I rode these 2 nights too. Yes, from a little cottage in the green, I realize I love you still. Because we love them. Stand the fire ready up. Ready up. See them here. Oh yes. Brethren, look in our afterlife. You may not be a movie star. You may not drive a Lexus car, but I love you in every area. Hey! Happy birthday, no darling. That bed of roses. That nice song. Bring that in. Stop. You're gonna catch me off the after. Yes. Yes. You may not be a movie star, no. You may not drive a big fast car, but I love you in every way. Said I love you in every way, but girl I don't know why. Yeah. Oh why? I don't know why. Come on, yes I know. Watch down. The dress you wear may be too tight, and folks say, girl, that look right, but I don't care about their views. Said I'll keep on, well I'm freezer, gosh, I don't know why, yeah, oh why, I don't know why. Bring it up for me, real low. Yes, I want to say, people in Portmore know me from karaoke days. Way back, I can't forget them people there. Because without them, I wouldn't pursue music at this level that I'm doing now. I've always done it before karaoke, you know, but I can't forget karaoke people there. I love them still. So don't forget them. That is still pass through, even though I can. I rock it. No because I do this. Come on, bigger than karaoke, you know. Mr. Barry Saman, Mr. Frankie Paul, Mr. Barrington Lee, come sing a karaoke now. So no one look down on it, because big bad singers come from there, so. Big up on yourself, FYAH. I had fun tonight. Ladies, pretty as hell. Gentlemen, come out, dapper as hell. Peace and love. Yeah!
Let me give another round of applause to the men called Clancy Ecceles, y'all.